How to change camera photo extension in iPhone. To get started, first of all open up the Settings app on your phone. Once you're here, go to Camera. This is the Camera Settings page. Here, you can adjust various settings like photo resolution, video recording options, and preserve settings to customize your camera experience. Over here, go to Formats as shown. On this page, go to the Camera Capture section at the top. As you can see, it is currently set to high efficiency. If you want to change it, then select Most Compatible. Most Compatible will always use JPEG/H.264Z. This way, you get more control over your experience with the camera and how you use it. Following these steps, you can easily change camera photo extension in iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.